Hi, welcome to bustier tutorial. If this is what you like, please kindly watch. So I've marked out the busts on the bust, the chest, the waist, and the length. So now let's put the neck width and the neck depth measurements as you want, as you like. Then on the shoulder line, go down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then divide the remaining measurement into two. Then you go in by average at the midpoint. That is to create a guideline on how to draft our armhole. And the reason for that arm inch is to remove excess and the armhole area. Then on the chest line, I'm inputting the bust measurement divided by 4. So this is to create a guideline for marking out or shaping our armhole. Just watch like I do. So the next thing is to input our nipple to nipple measurements. Make sure you use yours. So this is nipple to nipple measurements, like so. Then on the waistline, you mark out your dart leg intake. Maybe it's half inch on both sides or 7.5 inch, depending. Then you connect your nipple to nipple measurements with a straight line. Then you shape out your darts like so. You see what I'm doing? So shape out your darts like that. Then the next thing is to do our underbust tightening. So underbust tightening to form a very good and fitted cup. So you on that side you reduce by half inch. Then on the other side you remove by 0.75. Then you connect like so to form our bust shape like so. Can you see? You form it like that. Can you see? Like that. And the next thing is to connect to your dart leg using a straight line. Can you see? I'm trying to get a straight line there. Can you see? Then on the other side that we went in by 0.75, you connect like so to form your cup. So I'm trying to get the angle that is not too sharp so that will not get a sharp edge. Then you connect to your dart leg again, just like we did at the first one. Can you see? That's for underbust tightening. Then at the armhole area, you go down by 4 inches. Yes, that's for somebody with full bust. Go down by 4 inches and you connect with a straight line, not too straight, not too curved. Go down by 1.5 and connect back to the bust point. Can you see the part that I'm using is not too straight, it's not too curved? Then I'm blending it there. So the next thing is to redraw our armhole with 1.5 inch. Can you see? I go up by 1.5 inch. Then the next thing is to include our bust start. That's the difference between the front and the back length. Then the next thing is to start inputting our body measurements. That's bust divided by 4. And you see, I'm trying to mark it out and make sure that I had back the dart intake. Then that's the on the bust divided by 4. Then your waist divided by 4. Then the hip divided by 4. Divided by 4. Then you connect with a straight line like so. Then on the down part, you make sure that you use a little bit of your curve ruler to make it curve. Can you see? You curve it like so to give it a very good hip shape. Then on the side, go up by 1 inch and then connect to your center front. Can you see? So that is it. This brings us to the end of our bustier tutorial. Now let's move to the back. So then the back has been ruled out the zipper allowance. So on the chest line, you put your bust divided by 4, come down by 1 inch, your neck width and neck depth measurement, then connect with your ruler. So I didn't get the shape very well, so I had to retrace again. Can you see? To make sure that the neck is curved a bit. Can you see? Then you connect with your straight ruler like so. Then what we did at the front, you did at the back too, divided by 2, going by 0.25 for the back. The reason is so that it will be easier for you to stretch your back and stretch your hand. And the next thing on the waistline is to add your waist measurement plus your dart allowance. Then on the hip line, you add your hip measurement. And that is it. The next thing is to connect together like so. And then up like that. Can you see what we did at the front? Just to give it a very fine shape at the hem. Then your nipple to nipple intake like that. I measure down to the chest point area at the back. Can you see just 1 inch below the chest point? Then input my nipple to nipple to create our dart. So connect with the straight ruler, and on both sides you go in by ½ inch or 0.75 depending on your dart intake percentage. Can you see? The back is so simple and straightforward. Next thing is to remove our zipper bulge. So on the waistline you go in by 0.5 and you connect to your center back like so. Can you see? Connect like so. Then your zipper allowance too, you go in by 0.5, connect to your zipper line too, like so. And this brings us to the end of drafting of the back. So thank you for staying tuned and thank you for watching. So let's proceed to cutting out. In case you have any question, and feel free to drop in the comment section and I will do well to respond to your questions. Thank you.